Imagine getting a sleek, sporty sedan that promises up to 51 miles per gallon. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the 2026 Toyota Camry Hybrid is not just about fuel efficiency. It's packing bold new style with its Nightshade Edition, cutting-edge technology, and advanced safety features that might just set a new standard in its class. But does all this hype translate into real value on the road? Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this Camry special, and whether it lives up to the promise. Could this hybrid be the game changer you didn't expect? When it comes to midsize sedans, the Toyota Camry has long been a household name, synonymous with reliability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Since its debut over 4 decades ago, this model has evolved into one of America's best-selling sedans, loved by families and commuters alike. Now, in 2026, the Camry takes a bold leap forward with a fully hybrid lineup and striking new design choices like the Nightshade Edition, aimed squarely at drivers who want efficiency without sacrificing style. But with all these changes, how much has the Camry truly redefined itself? Stay tuned, as we're about to uncover how this latest version stacks up in technology, performance, and overall driving experience. Camry. This year, the Camry goes fully hybrid across its entire lineup, redefining what midsize sedans can deliver in terms of both performance and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, it pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with Toyota's advanced 5th-generation hybrid system, generating a healthy 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models and a bit more, 232 horsepower, when you opt for the available all-wheel drive variant. This powertrain isn't just about raw numbers. It's finely tuned to provide smooth, natural acceleration that makes driving feel responsive and even sporty. The Camry's hybrid system is intelligently crafted. Think of it as a perfectly choreographed dance between gasoline and electric power, maximizing every drop of fuel while also delivering a driving experience that feels effortlessly connected to the road. And that's not all. The continuously variable transmission adapts seamlessly to your throttle inputs, creating a quiet and fluid ride that's ideal for city streets and highways alike. Visually, the Camry commands attention with its bold new Nightshade Edition, featuring midnight black metallic trim, gloss black badging, and sleek 19-inch wheels dressed in black, an eye-catching blend of style and aggression. The Nightshade is just one of several trims available, including the LE, SE, XLE, and XSE, each offering unique touches from the aerodynamic sport canards and dual-tip exhaust of the XSE, to the luxurious leather-trimmed interiors and color options like the sultry new dark Cosmos Blue. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances comfort and technology remarkably well. The seats are thoughtfully designed for long-haul comfort, with several trims offering heated front seats, ventilated options, and sporty Softex upholstery in the Nightshade and SE. Technology is at the forefront, with a crisp 8-inch touchscreen standard across the board and larger 12.3-inch displays available, combined with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL audio system that makes every drive an immersive experience. The Camry also shines when it comes to safety and driver assistance. Standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 equips every model with features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and full-speed dynamic radar cruise control. These systems work behind the scenes to keep you secure and confident on the road, easing the stress of daily driving while helping avoid accidents. This is where the rubber meets the road with the 2026 Toyota Camry Hybrid. After exploring the design and tech, it's time to see how this sedan performs in real life. The Camry surprises in more ways than one. Thanks to its 5th-generation hybrid system paired with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, it delivers a solid 225 horsepower in the front-wheel drive version and a bit more grunt, 232 horsepower, with the available all-wheel drive. That means it doesn't feel like your typical fuel sipper. This car has a spring in its step. In fact, the Camry XSE AWD rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds. A full second quicker than its closest rival, the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Yet, despite this power, it keeps fuel efficiency impressive, with the LE trim offering an EPA-estimated 51 miles per gallon combined. Imagine having a car that balances sporty quickness and wallet-friendly fuel consumption so well. Driving around the city, the hybrid system shines, silent, smooth, and almost stealthy in the way it shifts between electric and gas power. You can cruise up to about 40 miles per hour in pure electric mode, conserving gas and reducing emissions. Push it into sport mode, and suddenly, the Camry isn't just efficient. It's eager, accelerating with punchy response, and a surprising athleticism that keeps things engaging behind the wheel. Of course, no car is without its quirks. The steering lacks a bit of feel, making the driving experience less connected than some sportier competitors. And while the cabin boasts excellent refinement, you might notice a hint of road noise creeping in at highway speeds, especially on models with larger wheels like the Nightshade Edition. But what about real-world numbers? The star of the show is the LE front-wheel drive model's manufacturer-estimated combined MPG of 51. An impressive figure in the mid-size sedan segment. Plus, the available all-wheel drive system is electric and on-demand, offering extra grip when you need it without sacrificing much fuel economy. Still, no car is perfect. While the hybrid powertrain excels in efficiency and smoothness, some might find that the manual feel of driving is softened by the continuously variable transmission. And the price tags, especially with higher trims and options like the panoramic sunroof or leather seats, can climb quickly compared to some rivals. But here's the twist. All that sporty flair and hybrid tech come wrapped in a package that doesn't drain your bank account as much as you'd think. The Nightshade Edition adds aggressive styling cues plus a sport-tuned suspension, making it stand out in traffic while handling corners with more confidence. After taking a close look at the 2026 Toyota Camry Hybrid, the verdict is clear. The 2026 Toyota Camry Hybrid continues to be a leading midsize sedan, perfectly balancing fuel efficiency, comfort, and style. It offers up to 51 MPG combined in the LE front-wheel drive trim and a spacious, refined interior suited for daily and long drives. The 5th-gen hybrid system delivers smooth power paired with optional all-wheel drive for added confidence. However, the steering lacks sharpness, and road noise is noticeable at highway speeds on models with bigger wheels. Prices rise quickly with premium features like leather seats and sunroofs. Ideal for families, commuters, and those valuing practicality with style. The Camry sets the standard for hybrid midsize sedans in the US market. Toyota's full hybrid commitment signals a greener future for this segment. What's your take? Is the 2026 Camry your next hybrid sedan? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight-packed reviews.